Hi, I'm John from Autel. In one of our previous videos, we introduced everyone to our new generation TPMS and service tool, the ITS600. Today we're going to take a closer look at the tool's operation and screen flow during a typical TPMS service procedure. As with our other tools, the ITS600 is designed exclusively for use with Autel's MX Sensor 1 sensor. It's important to provide some additional clarification on sensor compatibility. MX sensors are blank when removed from the packaging and cannot be activated. Our sensors must first be programmed with the correct protocol using an Autel TPMS tool. After programming, the MX sensor will emulate the OEM sensor for the make, model, and year of the vehicle being serviced. Once the Autel MX sensor is programmed with an ITS600 or any of our other TPMS tools, it can be activated, serviced, and relearned with any tool available on the market. Autel TPMS tools are compatible with all OEM and direct fit aftermarket sensors. Universal programmable sensors from other manufacturers are also compatible provided they're first programmed with their respective tools prior to installation. There's virtually no situation where the Autel MX Sensor 1 sensor isn't the best solution. We're going to first look at the TPMS diagnose process on the ITS600. Rather than manually selecting the vehicle, we'll take advantage of Autel's optical scanning technology to identify the application. Be sure to plug in the VCI200 and turn the ignition on. Let's start by activating each of the sensors in the order indicated on the tool. In this case, the left rear failed to activate, indicating a faulty sensor. Let's tap Diagnose. The ITS600 will now communicate with the vehicle via the VCI200. It will retrieve information from the TPMS control module that will show the sensor's IDs and the locations of the wheels. This is especially important because a tire rotation may have been performed during a prior service without a relearn being performed. Maintaining consistent physical sensor and wheel location with the control module information is essential in maintaining the accuracy of the TPMS information reported on the driver's information center. After communicating, we see the diagnose screen. In the left column is the information the tool collected from the TPMS sensors when we activated them for the first time. We can see the sensor ID information missing from the left rear wheel location. In the right column, we see the module information. This is a representation of where the vehicle thinks the location of each wheel and tire is. This may not be consistent with the actual wheel placement. Our job as technicians is to make sure that the vehicle leaves our shop with all matching sensor IDs and wheel locations. We now need to create a replacement sensor for our left rear wheel. One of the benefits of our new diagnose process is that we now know what sensor ID the vehicle is expecting to get a transmission from in the affected wheel location. We can use that information to create a replacement sensor. Hold a sensor near the top of the tool, choose the Programming tab, and choose Copy by OBD. You can now program the new sensor using existing vehicle sensor ID information. Now that we have installed our sensor, let's perform a position relearn. Tap the Position Relearn tab. Be sure to read the instructions carefully. In this case, we can simply tap OBD Relearn as Autel's engineers have automated the relearn process into a single step. We're all set. For more information about Autel tools and sensors, visit us at autel.com or maxitpms.com. Thanks for watching.